Yo, what is good everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at the Dad Life. So as you guys can see, I have baby Rose with me. Say hi. So today we have a special unboxing. I actually wanted Rose to be in this unboxing because this is one of her favorite cartoons actually. We have a special unboxing of the SpongeBob pack. It took a while to actually get this sneaker. Before we actually get into unboxing, make sure you guys enter my giveaway. My giveaway ends next week, Friday. All that information will be down in the description below, so make sure you guys enter the giveaway. But let me go ahead and unbox this real quick. I'm actually using a nail cutter because I don't have a knife. So wow, so just getting straight into this box right here. Let me put this box to the side. Wow, this is an interesting box. I honestly did not know what the box was going to look like. This was actually my first time seeing this in hand. So this is the Kyrie Low 2 SBSP, which is SpongeBob pack. This was actually one of the best ones in the pack in my opinion. So you guys know the SpongeBob, Patrick, Sandy, Squidward, and MR.KRABS. I think that was the only ones. Go ahead and get into it straight from the box. And as you guys can see, boom, the MR.KRABS. In my opinion, this was the best out of the pack, but looking at it in hand, oh my goodness, this is actually really nice. This is actually really nice in hand. I honestly thought in pictures it was kind of odd to me, but now seeing them in hand, this is absolutely fire, guys. Baby Rose is everywhere, but let me go ahead and grab the other side of the shoe. Man, this is a really nice shoe. It consists pretty much of a patent leather shoe. The netting, or the clear netting on the midsole side area. The details on the sneaker is really nice. As you guys can see from the other side of the sneaker, you have plankton that is actually squished. I really like how it's all red, and as well as the little details on the sneaker. As you guys can see right here on the green part, it's actually detailed as like money, because you guys already know with MR.KRABS, he loves money. And with plankton right here squished, I just wanted to just show you guys and just tell you guys, like, in my personal opinion, how they look in hand. But absolutely really nice in my opinion. That's pretty much it. If you guys want an on feet, I'll probably do an on-court review on the sneaker. Like I said, guys, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing with baby Rose, she was obviously distracted with a lot of things, but this is it, the MR.KRABS SpongeBob pack in the Kyrie, was it the Kyrie 5? The Kyrie Low 2. I hope you guys liked this unboxing with baby Rose. If you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see an on-court review or an on-foot review on the sneaker. And as well as if you guys cop, let me know which one in the pack you guys cop and which one you guys which one was your favorite. I personally, you guys already know, MR.KRABS is probably the best one in the pack in my opinion. But like I said, guys, make sure you guys enter my giveaway. My giveaway ends in a week, and as well as we're gonna get out of here, right, Rose? Stomp your feet. Clap your hands. All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace. Good job. High five. Say bye-bye. Kiss daddy, kiss daddy. Mwah.